If you've spent any time around bolt action rifles, there's a moment that changes how you judge everything else, and that moment's usually the first time you run the bolt on a Tikka. People love to argue brands. They'll throw out names like Winchester, Remington, Browning. Solid rifles, proven history, no doubt. When the conversation shifts from legacy to pure mechanical execution, Tikka quietly walks into the room and embarrasses a lot of expensive competition. What makes that funny is that Tikkas were never marketed as flashy or elite. They were just good. Almost suspiciously good for the money. Today, we're going to dive into 5 surprising facts about Tikka rifles that explain why so many shooters choose them over the American classics. Along the way, we'll compare Tikka's Finnish built engineering, price performance, and other strengths to show why it's such a sleeper hit in the market. Let's get into it. Fact 1. Legendary action and out-of-box accuracy. One reason Tikkas fly off the shelves is their incredibly smooth, accurate action. Back in the mid-2000s, especially in gun shops, you'd see it happen all the time. Someone picks up a Tikka, cycles the bolt, pauses for a second, cycles it again, raises an eyebrow, and then notices the name, Finland. Not a household American brand. And just like that, they'd set it back down and grab something more familiar. What they didn't realize is that they just handled one of the smoothest factory actions ever mass-produced. And that action is the heart of why Tikkas are so good. The Tikka bolt doesn't just feel smooth, it feels inevitable. You can't short stroke it, you can't bind it, you can't run it wrong. You can apply sideways pressure, slam it fast, baby it slow, it doesn't care. The bolt tracks perfectly every single time like it's riding on rails. That's not an accident, that's design and manufacturing discipline. Tikka uses a one-piece bolt body with tight tolerances, minimal parts, and a geometry that self-aligns under movement. That's why even the bolt feels a little loose in hand. It locks up the same way every single time. That looseness isn't slop, it's forgiveness. Forgiveness under stress, dirt, cold, gloves, adrenaline. In the field, that matters more than bench rest tightness. And then there's the single action length. This is one of the smartest manufacturing designs Tikka ever made. Instead of building short actions, long actions, magnum actions, and everything in between, they built one action length and engineered everything else around it. From 204 Ruger up to 300 Win Mag, it all lives in the same receiver. That simplifies manufacturing, reduces variation, and most importantly, creates consistency. Consistency is why Tikka actions are so predictable that barrel manufacturers can confidently make shouldered, pre-fit barrels that screw on and headspace correctly without custom gunsmithing. That's rare, and it's huge. The receiver itself is broached internally, not just drilled or milled. Broaching creates a key-shaped interior with incredibly clean surfaces and minimal finishing work. It's a big reason the bolt glides instead of scrapes. Less friction, fewer tool marks, cleaner geometry. It's not marketing fluff, it's machining reality. Out of the box, the trigger seals the deal. Factory triggers are usually something you tolerate until you replace them. Tikka is something you adjust and keep. It's externally adjustable, protected from being set dangerously light, and even at factory weight, it breaks like snapping a glass rod. No creep, no gritty take-up, just pressure and break. Dial it down to around 1.5 pounds and you're in match trigger territory without spending another $200 to $300. That alone makes Tikkas a nightmare for competitors at the same price point. Accuracy? Frankly, it's ridiculous. There are plenty of stories, but the pattern is always the same. Brand new Tikka, fresh out of the box, minimal prep, factory ammo, and it prints sub-half MOA groups like it's bored. Not cherry-picked rifles, not hand loads, just consistent, repeatable precision. Tikka rifles consistently shoot very well out of the box. In fact, shooters routinely see 5-shot groups under 1 inch at 100 yards with good ammo. Jim Harmer from Backfire notes that the Tikka action is legendary and accuracy is phenomenal, making a Tikka 3X an absolute no-brainer in its price class. In plain terms, Tikka's barrel and bolt work together so smoothly that it often puts multiple rounds into a ragged hole with little or no tuning. Part of this comes down to the factory trigger and tolerances. One reviewer found the stock trigger on a Tikka was just as good as any $150 aftermarket trigger, and the tight machining tolerances from the Finnish factory mean the actions always feel buttery smooth. Put simply, you get exceptional precision for the money. That level of performance helps explain why Tikkas often outperform many entry-level rifles and why experienced shooters praise the Tikka's out-of-the-box accuracy. Fact 2. Precision finish engineering and rigorous testing. Another secret to Tikka's appeal is the build quality. At first glance, it's unimpressive. Polymer, lightweight, doesn't scream premium, but then you use it. Single-stack feeding that is absurdly reliable, smooth, consistent, no nose diving, no weird feed angles, just cartridges feeding like a sewing machine. They're affordable, easy to replace, available in different lengths, and tuned to cartridge overall length using internal stops. That's how Tikka accommodates different cartridges within a single action length. Short magazine design paired with indexed bolt stops. Short cartridge, short bolt stop. Long cartridge, longer bolt stop. Same action, same reliability. It's elegant. Are there flaws? Sure. Safety locks the bolt, meaning you have to disengage it to unload a chambered round. Some people don't love that. It's not unsafe, but it does require discipline. There are aftermarket solutions if you want a 3-position safety, but for most users, it's a minor gripe, not a deal breaker. Because when you step back and look at the whole package, Tikka rifles do something rare. They give you an exceptional rifle now and an exceptional platform later. All Tikka rifles are engineered and built in Finland by Sako, part of Beretta Group, and they undergo very tight quality control. Every rifle's tested at the factory to ensure it shoots under 1 MOA accuracy before it even ships out. In other words, each Tikka's guaranteed to put bullets on target to better than 1 inch at 100 yards. This Finnish heritage means Tikka benefits from Sako's decades of gunsmithing expertise. The cold hammer-forged barrels and precision machined actions are extremely consistent. One industry analyst noted that Sako can obtain tight tolerances that let the factory rifle consistently shoot under 1 inch. The result is a rifle that you can rely on in the field. It's built to high standards so it stays accurate and dependable even in rough conditions. That kind of engineering pedigree isn't obvious on the sales rack, but it's a critical factor in why Tikkas hold their own against venerable American designs. Fact 3. Unbeatable value for performance. When you sum it all up, the smooth bolt, the excellent trigger, the accuracy, the aftermarket flexibility, what really stands out is how much performance you get for the money. People talk a lot about rifles that cost $2,000, $3,000, even $4,000. Tikkas live comfortably below that, and yet they still check all the boxes many hunters and shooters care about most. Smooth, predictable action, excellent trigger out of the box, consistent accuracy, flexibility for upgrades without prohibitive costs, a platform that doesn't feel like you paid budget just because it's priced lower. You've probably heard that Ruger and Savage sell rifles cheaply, but Tikka offers a real bang for buck that often surprises shooters. Tikka rifles typically sell for around $700 to $900, e.g. a Tikka 3X Lite can be had for about $750 to $800, yet they perform like rifles that cost much more. In fact, one backcountry hunting expert quipped that, "I've not seen a rifle that offers more value than a Tikka." Put another way, for the price of an entry-level American brand rifle, you get a near mid-range performance with a Tikka. In tests under $1,000, experienced reviewers consistently recommend the Tikka 3X first, noting that its quality feels like a much more expensive rifle. This superior price-to-performance ratio means many hunters end up buying Tikkas as their first serious rifle. It punches above its weight, often giving higher-end rigs a run for their money. Fact 4. Easy upgrade paths and aftermarket support. A lesser-known fact is that virtually every part of a Tikka can be upgraded or customized easily. Tikka actions all share the same footprint and bolt length, so you can swap barrels or even change calibers on one action. As one riflesmith explains, Tikka machines an interchangeable action so well that by swapping a bolt stop and a barrel, a person could go from 6.5 Creedmoor to 30-06 with the same action. This common action length, short action, and widespread support means you can rebarrel a Tikka into many calibers with simple drilling and tapping, a feature most cheap rifles don't advertise. Beyond barrel swaps, the aftermarket ecosystem for Tikka is huge. Nearly every stock maker, barrel company, and chassis manufacturer supports Tikka models. Backfire's review notes that virtually all stock and barrel makers have options for Tikka. In practice, this means if you want a custom stock, a heavier fluted barrel, or a different trigger, it's easy to find an upgrade for your Tikka. In fact, aftermarket stocks became popular because the factory polymer stock is fairly basic, But again, there's no shortage of upgrades. In short, a Tikka rifle is a great platform. You can use it straight from the box or build it into a specialty rifle over time, all without replacing the core action. Fact 5, growing popularity even in the US market. Finally, Tikka's reputation and sales numbers tell the story of its popularity. These Finnish rifles have quietly gained traction worldwide. For example, Beretta reports that the Tikka factory produced about 151,000 rifles in 2022, and the millionth Tikka T3 T3X rolled off the line in 2020. Those are big numbers that few realize. In the US market, Tikka has cracked the bestseller lists. According to Gunbroker's End of the Year report, the Tikka T3 was the 7th best-selling new bolt-action rifle of 2024. That ranking put it right behind American classics. Ruger American was number 1, Browning X-Bolt number 2. It may sound counterintuitive given Ruger's dominance, but it shows Tikka is holding its own. Industry experts say the success is well-deserved. One writer noted Tikka's quality and value have won it much well-deserved traction in the U.S. market. In practice, you'll find many hunters and guides who trust a Tikka as their go-to rifle, often repeating what our backfire expert did. If I had $750 to spend on a hunting rifle, I'd grab a Tikka T3X Lite and not consider anything else.